Today we are going to start chapter number 2, that is Introduction to the Search Engine Optimization. The chapter basically consists of first point, that is the what is introduction, and introduction is consist of what is exactly SEO. So SEO is nothing but SEO stands for the search engine optimization. The SEO techniques used in design and developing the websites and define the highest rank of the website in the search engine result. So what is the use of this SEO? So SEO is basically used for designing and the developing website. So what is the use of this design and develop website? So that whatever the rank of your website or whatever the rank of your search engine, that can be calculated. So SEO is basically used for the advertisement of the web and increase the rate of the visitors on the particular website. So by using the SEO, we can increase the rate of visitors on the particular website. So we will see one by one. So there are the what is exactly mean by the search engine. So we know that we are having the multiple search engine available with us, like Google, Yahoo, Bing. So in that search engine, what we basically do, so whatever the data we want to search, we are writing or we are just inserting that data into that search engine, and when we enter and when we search for that particular, we will definitely get the result whatever we are looking for. Okay, so the search engine is an online program used to search information on the worldwide basis. So you can search the information as a worldwide basis. So user can search information on the internet with the help of the search engine. So by using the search engine or with the help of internet, we can search the information, that is means we can share the information or we can search the information worldwide basis. So some examples are there, like your Google search engine, Yahoo search engine, and the Bing. Next is, so there are the some type of search engine. The first type of search engine is on page SEO, on page search engine optimization, and second one is the off page. So what is the exact difference between on page and the off page? We will see one by one. So the first we will move towards the on page. So on page means in this type of SEO concerns with the direct on page, or we can call it is the live page of the website. So for this purpose, we will take the example. Suppose you are searching something on the Google search engine. Suppose you are searching the image of Sai Baba on the Google search engine. So ultimately, when you enter, the particular image will be come in front of you, and that type of search we can call it is as a on page SEO. Means it is called as the live page. Whatever you are search, you are getting immediate result in front of the particular user. Okay, so it means it include the provision of the selecting good contents, good keyword selection, putting the keywords on the correct places, giving the appropriate title to the each page. So on page means that is the online process. So in that, so it includes the many things, that means it providing us or it give the provision of the selecting the good contents, good keyword selection, putting the keyword on the correct place, giving the appropriate title to the each page. Again, on page SEO define the overall graphical user interface, or we can call it is the GUI of the web page, and makes the web page user friendly. So by using the on page SEO, so what it gives us a very good GUI, so that if there is a very interactive GUI, means ultimately your website will be a very more attractive, and it again provide the some user friendly. Next is the off page SEO. So what is meant by the off page? So its name indicate that in this type of SEO is concerned with the website relationship. It includes the link building, increasing the link popularity, that means advertisement of your particular web link, and it's again the multiple links, or we can call it is the link exchange. Okay, next is it means it gives the reference of one website to the other website using the hyperlink. So I have given you the example, that is, suppose you are looking for the Sanjeevani Engineering College website. Okay, so you are searching in your Google search engine, that is the Sanjeevani Engineering College. When you search that particular website, so in that page it consists of the multiple link. So that might be first the user IP that first contains the Sanjeevani Engineering College website, again the Sanjeevani Engineering College admission. So these type of multiple links is available on that page. Again, if you click on that's www.sanjeevaniengineering.com, so at that time that website page will get open in front of you. Okay, so if that page is open in front of you, again that page is consist of the number of link. So there is the gallery, there is the achievement, alumni, this type of hyperlink again present on that particular page. Again, if you click on that particular hyperlink, so again you will be go to the particular page. So in this way, automatically the advertisement and the ranking of the website will get a increase. So this is the example of the off page SEO. Next is the technique used for the SEO. So there are the two techniques, or we can call we can classify the SEO into the two broad categories. First one is the white hat SEO and the black hat SEO. So what is exactly mean by the white hat? So when the word is come in front of you, white means you should have to remember it is somewhat true. It is means when we are differentiate black and the white. Suppose we will take the example of the you want the ticket of the film. So if you are go by the black, so that black means something unauthorized. Are you getting? So something unauthorized means the white hat means it is the true or it is the real. So what are the exactly content or what are the strategy including the white hat and the black hat? We will see one by one. The first one is the relevant content. So what is meant by the relevant content? So whatever you are search in that, whatever the thing you are going to search in that particular search engine, you are getting the relevant content of that search. Okay, so when this relevant content will get in front of you, when the strategy is used as a white hat strategy. If the strategy is the black hat, so ultimately you cannot get the relevant content which you looking for in that search engine. So ultimately whatever the content you are getting, that content might be the duplicate content and that might be a not a real content. Okay, or that not be the relevant to your search. Next one is the well labeled image. So whatever the image, if you are looking for the image, so if that how that image will be appeared in front of you, that will be in the well labeled image. If you are looking, or if the strategy is the black hat, so we can observe that there should be the some invisibility of the text, and we are means there should not be a very clear picture of the particular image, or we cannot label that image in a proper way. So that is your black strategy. Next one, next difference of the white hat is the relevant link and the reference. So whatever you are looking in that search engine, you are getting the relevant link according to your search, and again it provide you a good reference, or that reference should be a very useful for your search. So this type of thing is happened in the white hat. But if you go for the black hat, so ultimately whatever you are searching, you cannot get that particular content. You just redirect your page. So user just redirecting from the one page to the another page. Okay, so this type of strategy if there, so we can call it is as a black hat strategy. Then again, if we are looking for, so there is some standard format. Suppose we are going for the white hat, so there should be the some standard format. Suppose we are taking the example of the HTML. So if you want to write down the any HTML program, so there are the some basic needs. So we should have to start with the HTML head, then in that head we should have to insert the title, then end your title, end your head, then start your body, and in that body we should have to write down the whatever you want to display on that particular web page. So this is the standard format, and that standard format is provided into, or we can get that type of standard format in the white hat strategy. If we compare that into the black hat, so we cannot get the standard format, mean it will be the more scattered. There should not be a any relevant procedure for the particular means there should not be the standard, we can call it is. Again, if you are looking for the unique and the whatever the page you are looking, that should be the unique and the relevant page title. Okay, if you use the black hat, so there whatever the link you are getting, that should not be the relevant to your content. So this is the difference between your black hat and the white hat. Next part we will see in the next lecture.